Jeremy, what in the hell are you doing?
Oh, hey, RJ, I didn't see you there. So, you know how our floors are very, very durable?
So they say.
So they say, check this out. People working with tools, you're not going to have any damage or dings to the floor. I mean,
I see that, but that's screwdrivers and wrenches. Why don't you test it with something that actually makes a difference?
Well, hey, how about this sledgehammer right here?
Worth a shot.
All right, we're going to just drop it up. Let's go ankle height. Bam!
Nothing.
No damage. Garage force.